Renault Megane E-Tech 2025. First glance. The Megane E-Tech grabs you. This isn't some plain family hatchback. It's a sleek crossover hatch with SUV attitude, slim LED headlights with scrolling turn signals, a bold front end with Renault's new logo, and a fastback roofline. It's 4.2 meters long, 1.5 meters tall, with about 155 millimeters of ground clearance. Not a full-on Jeep, sure, but plenty for city curbs and light gravel roads. Top Esprit Alpine trim throws on 20-inch wheels and sporty touches, like the titanium F1 blade insert on the bumper. Looks? Fire. Renault brags about having one of the thinnest batteries out there, just 110 millimeters, which lowers the center of gravity and makes the car feel planted. Oh, and in 2025, the Megane snagged Small Car of the Year from Company Car and Amp Van Awards. They didn't just hand that out. Inside, like a cockpit from the future. Step inside the Megane E-Tech, serious wow factor. You get two big screens, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 12-inch touchscreen running OpenR Link with Google Automotive built right in. Google Maps is integrated, the Renault voice assistant understands commands, and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay work wirelessly. Plus, physical buttons for the climate control. Thank you, Renault, for not making me poke a screen for everything. Top iconic trim adds a Harman Kardon sound system with 12 speakers and seats made from recycled materials. Eco and cool. Trunk space is 440 liters, that's more than a VW ID.3, 385 liters, or a Cupra Born. Fold the rear seats down, and you've got 1,332 liters for bikes or flat-pack furniture. Legroom in the back is a bit tight, though. Taller passengers might feel the pinch from that sloping roof. Fine for families with little kids, but if you're hauling basketball players, maybe look at the Renault Scenic E-Tech. One more note, base model seats lack adjustable thigh support, so your legs might get tired on really long drives. Overall though, it feels cozy, like a cool loft space. Battery and amp motor, what's the range? Here in Europe, the 2025 Megane E-Tech offers two setups. A 60 kWh battery pack with either 130 or 220 horsepower. Range is up to 450 km on the WLTP cycle. A 40 kWh battery with 130 horsepower, good for about 300 km WLTP. Real-world range on the 60 kWh pack. Expect 250 to 350 km, depending on weather and how you drive. The 220 horsepower version hits 60 miles per hour in 7.4 seconds, the 130 horsepower takes about 9. Top speed is 160 km per hour. Charging. On a fast 130 kilowatt charger, it goes from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes. On a standard 7 kilowatt home charger, plan on 6 to 9 hours for a full charge. It comes with a heat pump to save battery in winter, and regenerative braking with 4 levels you can shift using steering wheel paddles. Almost feels like a race car. Behind the wheel, fun or just fine? The Megane E-Tech is all about comfort and ease. It steers precisely, the suspension soaks up city bumps smoothly, and that low center of gravity keeps it planted in corners. Flip it into sport mode and the steering weights up, but it doesn't quite have the hot hatch punch of something like a Cupra Born. It is super quiet though. Renault talks up a cocoon effect with extra sound deadening. On the highway, it's solid, but the brakes can feel a bit grabby at low speeds. You get used to it. You get the multi-sense system with driving modes, eco, comfort, sport, and adaptive cruise control that even slows down for curves. Perfect for city traffic or highway cruising. Bonus? It can tow up to 900 kilograms, pretty rare for an electric car this size. Safety, fully loaded. Renault packed the Megane with safety gear, 7 airbags, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability program, rear-view camera, parking sensors, and traffic sign recognition all come standard. Top trims add up to 25 driver assists, including automated parking, lane keeping, and Level 2 advanced driver assistance systems. That means it can steer, accelerate, and brake for you on compatible roads, keeping its distance automatically. Euro NCAP gave it 5 stars, 85% for adult protection and 88% for child protection. For a family car. That's a rock-solid argument. Fun fact, there's a hidden French rooster badge somewhere inside the cabin. Find it? Consider yourself a true Renault fan.